Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PracticePanther, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Dropbox to your PracticePanther? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. So I've already logged into my PracticePanther, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Dropbox to PracticePanther, here on the top right, you're going to click on your company name. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and you want to click on settings. Okay, once you click there, you'll see a menu here on the left and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on files and documents. All right, once you click there, look for the Dropbox logo and then click on the green connect button. Okay, once you do that, Dropbox is going to open up the browser, letting you know that PracticePanther is going to access your files and folder. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Dropbox is connected to my PracticePanther. All the other options are now grayed out. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Dropbox to your PracticePanther, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.